Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were on exercise 9.3 in which we were discussing the word problems related to the money topic. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the topic. So first of all, I'll just write on the topic here, that is chapter 9 money exercise 9.3. Okay. So in the last session we had done up to question number 9. So let's begin with question number 10. So the question number 10 is, Preeti bought 8 dresses for 896 rupees and 80 paisa. How much did one dress cost her? So Preeti has bought 8 dresses. So Preeti ने 8 dresses खरीदी हैं, and the cost of all those 8 dresses, the total cost of all those 8 dresses is 896 rupees and 80 paisa. And we need to find out the cost of one dress. So that means the cost of 8 dresses are given and we need to find the cost of one. So ज़्यादा की कॉस्ट दी है, कम की निकालनी. So what we do? For that we do the division. So that means if we divide the total cost of all the 8 dresses with the total number of dresses, that is 8, you will get the cost of one dress. Okay, so let's begin with question number 10. The question number 10. लिखिए, cost of 8 dresses is equal to, cost of 8 dresses is equal to 896 rupees and 80 paisa. That is 896 rupees and 80 paisa. This is the cost of 8 dresses. We need to find the cost of one dress. Cost of one dress. So for that we will divide the cost of 8 dresses with number of dresses, that is 8. So rupees 896 rupees 80 paisa divided by 8. Okay, so let's divide and find the answer. 896 rupees 80 paisa divided by 8. Okay class, one important thing that I want to tell you. So just like the multiplication, so whenever you do the division, and if somewhere there is decimal means कहीं भी अगर point हो, so just simply do the division first. Multiplication हो या division हो, पहले simple multiplication या division कर लीजिए, and after that you can put the decimal or the point. Okay, अब point को देके don't get confused. Okay, just simply do the multiplication or the division, whatever being asked, and then you can later on you can put the point. So first of all we are going to divide it. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Bring down the next, that is 9. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down the next one, that is 6. Now it is 16. 8 twos are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Bring down the next, that is 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now bring down the next one, that is 0. 8 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0. Okay, so there is no remainder, but the quotient is 11210. So is it correct? No, but still we need to put the point. So in the question, after point, we are having 2 digits. So here also we will leave the 2 digits behind and put the point. So this is the cost of one dress, that is 112 rupees and 10 paisa. So this was the question as well. So the question was, how much did one dress cost her? So therefore the cost of one dress is 112 rupees and 10 paisa. So लिखिए therefore the cost of one dress is 112 rupees and 10 paisa. So this is the cost of one dress. Okay, and this is also the solution of question number 10 of exercise 9.3. You can pause it here and note down the solution of question number 10 in your notebooks. Okay. Chaliye. Moving next to the question number 11. So the question number 11 is, okay, so first of all I'll just erase it, then I'll begin with the question number 11. The question number 11 is, Nupur bought 12 lunch packets for her friends. She paid she paid 949 rupees 80 paisa to shopkeeper. How much did one lunch packet cost? So this is as similar as the previous question. So देखिए they have given that the Nupur has bought 12 lunch packets. Now the Nupur, she had bought 12 packets of lunch. Okay. And for all those 12 packets of lunch, she has paid 949 rupees and 80 paisa. So this is the total cost that she had paid for the 12 packets of she had paid for the 12 packets of lunch that she had bought. Now we need to find out the cost of one lunch packet. So the cost of 12 lunch packets is given and we need to find the cost of one lunch packet. ज़्यादा की दी है, कम की निकालनी है. So for that what will we do? We will do the division. So the cost of 12 lunch packets is 949 rupees and 80 paisa, and we need to find the cost of one lunch packet, and that we can find by dividing the cost of 12 lunch packets with the total number of lunch packets, that is 12. Okay, so let's begin with it. Okay, so let's write down. Okay, the question number is 11. So first of all, we will write down the information that is already given. Question number 11. Cost of 12 lunch packets. Cost of 12 lunch packets, that is 949 rupees 80 paisa. That is 949. That is 949 rupees and 80 paisa. So this is the cost of 12 lunch packets. And we need to find the cost of one. For cost of one lunch packet. For finding the cost of one lunch packet, we will divide the cost of 12 lunch packets with 12. So 949 rupees 80 paisa divided by 12. 949 rupees. Okay. So cost of one lunch packet, we can find out by dividing the cost of 12 lunch packets with the number of packets, that is 12. So let's do the division. So 949 rupees 80 paisa divided by 12. Okay. Again similarly, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, simply just do the division and at last we will use the decimal or the point. So 12 के टेबल में 94. So 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down the next one, that is 9. So 109. So 12 nines are 105. So 12 nines are 105. 9 minus 5, 4, 0 and 0. So this is 4. Now bring down the next one, that is 8. Okay. 12, 1248. 12 fours are 48. Just a minute. Something is, oh, sorry. Sorry for this. So 12 nines are 108, not 105. That is 108. So 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Now we will bring down the next, that is 8. So this is 18. So 12 ones are 12. 8 minus 2, 6, 0. Bring down the next one, that is also 0. So 12 fives are 60. 60 minus 60, nothing is left. But the calculation is not completed yet because in the question we are having the decimal. So we need to put it here. In the question after decimal or after the point we are having 2 digits. So that's why we will leave the 2 digits here and put a point. So this is the cost of one packet of lunch, that is 79 rupees and 15 paisa. So now the question, what was the question? The question was, how much did one lunch packet cost? Therefore, the cost of one lunch packet is 79 rupees and 15 paisa. So this is the cost of one packet of lunch or one lunch packet. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 11. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chale. Moving next to the question number 12. So let's sorry. So let's begin with question number 12. The question number 12 is, John sent 25 parcels by post. The total expenses amounted to 637 rupees and 50 paisa. How much did he spend on one parcel? So John, he has sent 25 parcel. John ने 25 parcel भेजे and the total amount that he has the expenses that he has paid on that 25 parcels is 637 rupees and 50 paisa. How much did he spend on one parcel? So beta, whenever you send a parcel, so there is some amount that you need to pay to send the parcel. So similarly, John has he has sent 25 parcel, and for that 25 parcels, he paid 637 rupees and 50 paisa, and we need to find the cost of one parcel. Similar, just like the question previous two question number 11 and 12, the cost of one parcel is given. So 25 parcels is given, that is 637 rupees and 50 paisa, and we need to find the amount that he or the expenses paid on one parcel. So let's begin with question number 12. Okay, the question number 12. Question was, he spent on parcel. Okay. Total expenses on 25 parcels. That is 637 rupees and 50 paisa. That is 637 rupees and 50 paisa. So this is the total expenses on 25 parcel. Okay. We need to find the expenses paid on one parcel. Okay, so what is the total expenses that he had paid on one parcel, that we need to find out. For finding that, what we will do, we will divide the total expenses, that is 637 rupees 50 paisa, from the total number of parcels, that is 25, and we will get the total expenses paid on one parcel. So let's divide 637 rupees 50 paisa divided by 25. So let's divide and find out. 637 rupees 50 paisa divided by 25. So 25 twos are 50. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. So 63 minus 50, 13. Bring down the next one, that is 7. So 137 divided by 25. So 25 sevens are, 25 fives are 125. Okay. So 25 fives are 125. So 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next number, that is 5. So 25 fives are 125. So 125 minus 125, 0, 0 and 0. Bring down the last one, that is 0. 25 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, nothing is left. So after dividing 637 rupees 50 paisa with 25, we got this. But still we need to put the decimal. So in the question after decimal, we are having 2 points or 2 digits. So again, by leaving the 2 digits behind, we will put the decimal here. So this is the cost of, this is the amount that he had paid on one parcel, that is 25 rupees and 50 paisa. So this is the amount paid by him on one parcel. So now the question was, how much did he spend on one parcel? Therefore, he spent 25 rupees and 50 paisa on one parcel. Therefore, or in spite of he, you can write the name. The name was John. Okay, so you can write, therefore John spent 25 rupees 50 paisa on one parcel. Write down, therefore John spent 25 rupees and 50 paisa on one parcel. Okay, so this is the amount that he has paid on one parcel. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 12 from the exercise 9.3. Okay, so you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, so with this we have completed question number 12. So now we are left with 3 more questions that we will discuss in the next session. Okay, so for today I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.